Welcome to my channel, my name is Boy, and today we're gonna have a closer look at this wireless microphone from MAONO. Thank you very much for supporting this channel. Let's jump right into it. But first, what's in the box? 2 transmitter, 1 receiver, 1 TRS cord for camera, 1 TRRS cord for phone, 1 USB-A to USB-C 123 splitter cable, 3 for windshield, 2 lavalier mic, and 1 pouch. I like the package a lot. Seems very clean. I like the yellow and black and white. Super cool. They have this in black and white. We got the black one. So let's unbox this. MAONO Professional Audio Innovation. Very good. So here we have the menu. Do not eat. And here, as you can see, we have 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. Audio cable and USB-C cable. There we go. I like that they did a little sticker here that helps us to identify which one is for the phone and which one is for the camera. Nice. Here's the USB-A to USB-C. You have 3 USB-C. You just plug and then you're gonna be able to charge all of them at the same time. That's very cool. Practical. I like that. We are able to just mount on top of the microphone just like this. Boom. Very cool. You have 3 in case you lost one. You have 1 extra. And then here, lavalier 2. Very good. And at the bottom of the box, we have the pouch. Boom. Nice divisions here. 3. Here you can put the other things too. The cords right here, you can go inside as well. The charger and the other cord. Very nice. I like that. Very cool. It's not very hard, but it's a nice little package that you can keep everything organized in the same place. Let's have a closer look at the transmitters. Here you're gonna be able to see that we have the lavalier plug, the internal microphone. You can speak right here. Boom, the power, the mute, and the connector. So let's try to press and hold the power button. Boom, the light is already blinking. If you press the mute, it's gonna be red. Very easy. Press again, it's gonna go back to green. Very simple. The receiver, you see the output, so you can plug the camera or phone cord, and then here you're able to monitor your audio with your headphone. Turn on and off, and then minus and plus button, so adjust the volume as well. If you press both of them together, you're gonna be able to sync and pair with your transmitters. Very easy, very simple. And here, USB-C to charge. Let's turn this on. Press and hold. To press both the minus and the plus together, you see here that you're gonna be able to sync with the transmitter. So my Sony A7 III now is audio level 12, and I can bring it up and down if I press plus and the minus here. Up. Hello. So this is the audio coming from the transmitter from MAONO. Let me know what you think in the comment down below. 1 2 3 test. 1 2 3 test. Now we're gonna try to do a little test using the lavalier. Put here. You can put inside of your shirt as well, and then you can put the transmitter on your pocket. Alô, 1 2 3 teste. 1 2 3 testando áudio. 1 2 test, testando som. Muito bem. 1 2 3 test. 1 2 3 test. This audio is level 10. 1 2 3 test. 1 2 3 test. Audio level 10. Sony A7 III. 1 2 3 test now is Sony A7 III audio level 8. Audio level 8 using lavalier and MAONO audio transmitter. 1 2 3 test. 1 2 3 test. Let me know what you think in the comment down below. Very simple. If you want to do some interviews, some podcasts, you don't need any extra apps. You just press, connect, and you can record right away, as you can see. And if you don't have the lavalier, you can just plug on your shirt like this as well, and you're ready to go. And one thing that's super cool is because you have 50 meters that you can just go do whatever you want. Just make sure that you're facing your receiver and you should be good to go. 50 meters. 1 2 3 test. 1 2 3 test. 1 2 3 test. 1 2 3 test. If you want to do some classes or some tutorials for activities and exercise, very, very good. No limitation with chords, very simple, very easy. The price is $150 and I'm gonna link in the description down below. Now I'm gonna press to mute. Clean, it's red. Now you're probably gonna be able to pick up a little bit from the lavalier. If I press again, done, it's back. It's ready to go. So now that we did some tests using the camera, my audio is level 8 on my Sony a7 III. Let's try to do some tests using my iPhone 10. Just keep in mind, you need the little adapter, but if you have another cell phone that doesn't need anything, and you're gonna be able to use and record right away. So now we're gonna do some tests. This is the sound straight from my phone as a selfie mode. I'm gonna plug the MAONO and we will compare. Let's see how it sounds. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3 testing sound. We are here using MAONO, doing some tests using iPhone 10. Lavalier. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3 test. Final thoughts about this tiny product. I like how simple it is. It's just 3 buttons here and bada bing bada boom. Turn on and off, mute, unmute, and sync. Plug anywhere you want, because if you want to use your hands, you are able to do that. Constructive comments. It's very, very light, but because it's plastic, I'm kind of like a little bit concerned because the case doesn't have any like cushion or protection, you know what I mean? So if I put in my bag or if I toss it around, I'm scared that it's gonna damage the product. But if it was something more like hard, I feel like it would be nicer. But very, very nice. You're able to carry anywhere and everywhere you want, and all your audio equipment is gonna be here. So that's it for me, guys. I hope they learned something today. Let me know in the comment down below what you think about this product and what is your favorite feature. Leave your like, comment and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video.